You are on your way to achieving great things. You have so much things in the works, so much things in the pipeline. You are multi-talented. You can do many different things. You are a triple threat. I'm hearing for some of you, you are a quadruple threat, but you don't know where to start. You see, Spirit is saying you need to shift your mindset. You have a wealth of inner abundance that is bursting to get through. You have to shift your frequency. Shift your frequency to who you want to be, to who you want to become. There must have been a time, once upon a time, when you were much younger than you are now. And you were bold, you were brave, you were fearless, you were delusional. Spirit is asking you to switch your frequency to being that delusional person you once were. You were so delusional to the point whereby others felt like you lost the plot. But you were focused. You were determined. And whatever it was that you wanted to achieve, you did it. And you left everyone shocked. You see, you are a big deal. You ain't no mediocre. But somewhere along the way, you forgot who you are. And I'm here to remind you about who you are and where you belong. You belong to sit on your throne once again. You belong with others who are just as equally as powerful as yourself. You have forgotten your power. Spirit is urging you to shift your mindset. Shift your mindset from believing that you can't to you can, because you will. It's going to require you to go inwardly, to cleanse your energy, to look at your patterns, to remove the blockages. Some of you may need to journal, do some shadow work, see a counselor, a therapist. It's time to clean the slate. The time is now. You have to release what no longer serves you. You have to unleash your power. It's not about being conceited. It's about knowing your worth. And you are worth a lot. And you have a lot of success and abundance awaiting you. You've had many blockages along the way. And these blockages could have stemmed from thought patterns, which made you stay in situations and places that you have outgrown. You may have been aligned with people who were stuck. And because you were aligned with these people or this person, you became stuck too. And now Spirit is saying it's time to break free. It's time to be unapologetic. Remember who you are. Yes, you may be met with opposition, but that should make you dig even deeper and rise even higher. Because you're not happy where you are. You're not. And it's causing a lot of mental conflicts because you know you're bad. You know you're bad. You know you're that girl. You know you're that guy. And guess what? You are. So start with pouring into yourself. Start loving yourself. Start nurturing yourself. Start treating yourself kindly. You are the embodiment of love. But somewhere along the way, your heart started to get blocked. You started to feel undeserving. You weren't pouring into yourself. You weren't pouring into your goals. It's almost as if you felt like it didn't matter anymore. But it was a lie. You were surrounded by people who never encouraged you, but they saw your power. They saw your worth. But you were a representation as to who they felt they couldn't be. So they tried to minimize you, fearful that if you tapped into your power, you were catapulted into victory. And that's exactly where you are going. You see, you are one of the best. You are the greatest thing to have ever happened in your family line. You are a leader. You will be victorious in this lifetime. For some of you, I'm hearing critically acclaimed. For some of you, I'm hearing fame. You are high ranking. Your energy is no joke. It's time to rise up. You are destined for a life of peace, abundance, spiritual wealth. You have an expensive energy. You are sophisticated, regardless as to how much you have in the bank. You have so much grace. You are independent. People look up to you. People aspire to be like you. You are a boss. You are an emperor. In this lifetime, you will own your own business. In this lifetime, you will reach a position of power within your workplace. Whether that means you are a leader, a manager, a boss, a CEO. Now it's time to be a boss in your own life and lead yourself into victory. But first, Spirit is saying it's time to go into hermit mode, to do the inner work, to work out what it is that's holding you back. It's time to release yourself and not be trapped and stuck anymore. And it could be a place, a thing, or a person that you are attached to, or that is attached to you, that you need to release yourself from. And yeah, there may be some pain and heartbreak when you do this releasing, but Spirit is saying it's necessary. It's time to alchemize the negativity that has been bestowed upon you, the negative self-talk, or the pain and conflict that you have been through. Spirit is saying, yes, it has been painful, but you cannot wallow. Take time out to heal. Be gentle with yourself, but alchemize that pain. Alchemize the negativity that people have projected upon you. Alchemize the blockages that have been bestowed upon you. Alchemize those toxic friends, family members that told you or made you feel like you couldn't do it. And turn your pain into purpose, because you are destined for abundance, stability, a happy romantic life, an abundant marriage, a pay rise, certificates, medals. It's time to break down the old foundation. We are in a number 1 year. This is the Aries year. This is the Aries card. The old must be destroyed. It's time for your transformation. The time is now. So what are you waiting for?